I got it. You can get inside. Get inside. It's not gonna take us. Nah, I'm fine. Yeah, it's gonna be. Nah, we're gonna be started in a second. So you can go ahead. Yeah.
I have to go into denim, so.
Oh, you gotta go fight that traffic.
Anyway.
You gotta go fight that traffic. Yeah, your battery's dead.
Oh yeah.
Okay, maybe time to
The neighbor said she tried to tell me the lights were on, but I'd already gone to sleep.
Okay, crank it. It's not doing anything? Okay. Hold it. Hold on 1 second. Let's see. Try it now. Okay. Yeah, that'd be long enough to charge it. Yeah, with the stop and go traffic, that'll be fine. Yeah, because the alternator is charging now, so that's not the issue. Oh, when you leave the lights on? Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Just in here, okay. Yeah, that'll be fine. You'll be fine. The alternator's working now, so.
Do I need to sign something for you?
No, ma'am. I was supposed to take a picture of it, but I'll just take a picture of the front of the truck. That's fine. Yeah. You have a blessed one, okay? Yes, ma'am.